Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you a table that we're working on. It's something that we drew up about a year ago and we're making. So the first part, this is going to be a series of videos because if not, it would be a really long video and I don't want anyone to have to sit through that. So this is part one. This is the tabletop. So I hope you guys enjoy this. We're really excited to get this project done and share it with you.